welcome to this video in which I explain why I think Escape Hunt's acquisition of Boom Battle Bar makes it the fastest growing, most exciting leisure company in the UK and probably internationally a bit further down the line. Okay, let's get into it. The content of this video does not constitute investment advice. Do your own research. If you do invest in anything mentioned in this video without doing your own research and the share price goes down, you only have yourself to blame. However, if the share price goes up and you want to give me some credit, I'm happy with that. Escape Hunt's acquisition of Boom Battle Bar. I like this a lot. So it's basically the proposed acquisition of Boom Battle Bar for 17.38 million, satisfied by a payment of 9.88 million in cash and deferred consideration of shares on an earn-out basis. Plus, it's an open offer if you're a shareholder. Close the register, I think it was the 2nd of November. Then you qualify for one share for every 12 ordinary shares at 30 pence, which was the issue price there. Okay, you can apply for that. And each director or an associate of each director has conditionally agreed to participate in the fundraising up to 485 grand in aggregate. And the new name will be XP Factory Plc to reflect the changing nature of the enlarged group of businesses. So what is Boom Battle Bar? It's good. It's competitive socialising combined with theatrical cocktails, street food. Imagine it's a pub with good cocktails, good drink, good food, and all the games you can play with your mates. Normally, I have friends come down and we go out and do something, then we go and have a drink and something to eat. Right now, you can do all this in one area, in the Boom Battle Bar. And they got games like augmented reality darts, Bavarian axe throwing, shuffleboard, crazier golf, Hammerschlagen, not quite sure what that is. Sounds good though. Electric table tennis, interactive beer pong, ice curling, pool, karaoke. And these are modular, so you can move them around, you know, different games, different sites. And you see little pictures here, and there's some bigger pictures here. There's the bar area, sit down for drinks, cocktails. You can go in there for a drink and cocktail. You don't have to play any games. The games, of course, cost money to play. Now, of course, lots of sites will be adding an escape room as well. So these kind of games, virtual reality escape rooms and escape rooms. Cocktails here, axe throwing here, beer pong, basketball, darts, snacks, chicken wings. And here are my 5 reasons why I think this acquisition makes XP Factory the fastest growing, most exciting leisure business in the UK and beyond with time to come. Because let's be honest, there's massive potential in the US where Escape Hunt, the rooms there are expanding by the franchise system there. So number 1, reason 1, physical growth. Already the advanced pipeline, 21 sites. Now, for a while, there's been talk of Escape and signing some more sites, just rolling out, more of their, very popular escape rooms. But we thought maybe, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 sites to be announced. 21 sites via this acquisition. 10 already been signed, including 2 in build. Further 11 sites expected to be exchanged within 30 to 90 days, so within a month to 3 months. Further 11 sites, 10, on top of the 10 there. So 21 sites, advanced pipeline, okay? Beyond that, total pipeline, 39 sites. So the 18 above those I just mentioned includes a further 18 sites with outline terms agreed already. So wow, that's phenomenal. And this has, I think, put the group on a different trajectory as far as growth is concerned. Like I said, initially I thought maybe they'd announce, maybe 3, 5, maybe 10. I was being very ambitious. But 39 sites. This has blown it out of the water. Well done to the guys there, the directors, Richard, and all the guys, because this has exceeded all expectations. Just phenomenal. So look at this. Landlord contributions as well. As we know, the commercial retail sector is struggling. There's units going empty. And this combined group were able to leverage this. Total pipeline includes 12.6 million of landlord contributions towards build, of which 7.6 million relates to the advanced pipeline. So I often mentioned, will the company be taking advantage of this soft property market that's happening at the moment due to COVID, due to empty units coming up in these prime locations? And they have, massively. 39 sites, landlord contributions, 12.6 million. That's amazing. So These sites, by the way, include the advanced sites. Oxford Street. Wow. 15,000 square foot of prime location leisure fun. Big bar, escape room, everything there, right in the centre, the heart, the busiest shopping district in Europe. And 17,000 square foot of the O2. Escapement on their own couldn't have achieved this, but with the extra size and capacity of boom battle bars they have, phenomenal. The traffic through these areas are, just mind-blowing. So current sites, this is what we have. Cardiff, Eastbourne, Norwich, 11,000 square feet. Lakeside, 14,000 square feet. And Liverpool, 10,000 square feet. Lakeside just recently opened. This was the first co-located site. And we can see it here. Look, it stretches from here all the way across these units. How many units is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 normal units there. So massive, And if we look on the outside here, escape hunt, boom battle bar, escape rooms, virtual reality, axe throwing, augmented reality darts, shuffleboard, ice curling, carnival combat, cocktail bar, boom buffalo wings, vegetarian option as well. And this is the gaming area here as well. The bar is the menus. So go big or go home. All spirits available in 50 millilitres. Here's the buffalo wings, vegetarian. Choose your flavours. Choose your dips. The bar area, there's the games there. There's the darts, augmented reality darts there. A couple of pints on the thing. Who doesn't like this? Fun, gaming, drinking. Who doesn't like drinking? Who doesn't like eating good food? Who doesn't like playing, games, having fun in a competitive social environment? Everyone loves that. So roll the wheel. Don't know what that's about. Don't know what this is about. It looks exciting though. Lots of invaders here. Lots of big games. Axe throwing. The pipeline consists of these. Swindon, 15,000 square feet. Wandsworth, 10,000 square feet. Aldgate East. Bath, Blackpool, Bournemouth, 11,000 square feet. Chelmsford, Coventry, Ealing, 10,000 square feet. Edinburgh, Exeter. Glasgow, 10,000 square feet. Hull, 34,000 square feet. What are they putting in there? Wow. But even in centre, in cities here, these are big sort of units. Ipswich, Leeds, Manchester, Oxford, 10,000 square feet. Oxford Street, 15,000 square feet. Reading, Sheffield, Southampton, coming soon to me. That's near where I live. I'll be going there. And apparently, you can take the kids before 7 p.m. On the website it says that. So, we'll go down there. Me and the wife, have something to drink. Have a little bit of eat with the kids. Play games with them. All fun. O2, 17,000 square feet. Watford. Wow. So 2022, pretty much, these are the end of year targets, okay? Escape on 21 UK owner-operated sites. Boom Battle Bar, 7 UK owner-operated and 20 franchise sites, okay? Target to growth. This is 2026, this is 5 years plus. 50 sites for Escape Hunt, that's the target there. 100 for Boom Battle Bar, and you can see the mix here of owner-operated and franchise. So on Escape Hunt side, there'll be more. There'll be sort of 1/5 are franchise, 4/5 owner-operated. On Boom Battle Bar, it's the other way around. Pretty much, it's 2/3 franchise, 1/3 owner-operated. Short-term financial growth. So I've been looking at this. 21 owner-operated sites, revenue of 10.5 million, pretty much. EBITDA 3.5. Now, these are based on the traditional sites. With co-located sites, you may get better figures than this. For example, Oxford Street, the big ones of that, will probably blow, because the box economics of Escape Hunt is pretty much £10,000 per week, £3,000 of EBITDA on that. Over the year of 50 weeks, you get 500,000 revenue, 150k in EBITDA. Now, these big sites, like at the O2, like at Oxford Street, may blow those out of the water because they'll be a lot bigger, higher footfall. So these are, averaging what we expect. And then you've got the franchisees remote digital, which is expanding the franchisees model across the world, including the US. Add an extra 2.5 EBITDA there because the margins are bigger. You've got group here, revenue of 3.65 and EBITDA 6 million. Okay, on those sites, 21 sites there. Boom Battle Bar. 7 sites, 2.8 million is EBITDA, 20 franchisees, 3 million EBITDA to 5.8. So let's look at the metrics here on this. 2022 group total EBITDA 11.8, right about there. Could even say 10 plus, let's say that. Now on 10 times that, you've got 118 market cap there, or 15 times. Let's be honest, if this is, and I believe they are, market leaders in a fast-growing, new, exciting leisure sector, then this could easily achieve 15 times, even 20 times, But let's go 15. That's 177 market cap, pretty much valuation. Current market cap around about 50 million, a bit less than that. So that is 250% upside by 2022. But of course, the market is forward-looking. It'll get to that before that. So we're talking, even here, it's 200% upside. So we're talking 3 times, pretty much, the current share price. It's close towards £1 before the end of next year, I'm saying there. £1 right there. Let's look further down the line. Okay, let's look at that, the total target sites. So say by 2026, 50 sites for Escape Hunt. That's 26.6 million in revenue, 9.5 EBITDA. Add that on top, the franchise remote digital, got 6.4 million of EBITDA. So total 16 million of EBITDA by 2026 just for Escape Rooms Escape Hunt here. Boom Battle Bar, EBITDA total there on 85 franchisees, 9 operating sites, 16.35. So total EBITDA, 32.3 million in cash there. Again, let's do times 10, 323, or times 15, 485, current market cap 50. You're talking about 870% upside. That's 9 times, pretty much, the current share price. When momentum kicks in, and let's be honest, by then, I think franchisees of Boom Battle Bar will probably go abroad as well, so probably even bigger than that. This is, do you know what? This will be bought out. This is like a 10-bagger plus. Honestly, if you look at what the management have done, considering, where we've come through, a pandemic year and COVID, what they've done, sharp business operators have taken advantage of that. There are many companies folded and gone through, especially in the leisure area. These guys have taken advantage. They've doubled down, taken advantage of the soft property market, acquired a company, and fair play. I've got a round of applause to the directors there. They've exceeded my expectations. And remember, this is now looking backwards. Look forwards. Now we've got a board of directors coming on as well from Boom Battle Bar. Very sharp operators. They also created Flipouts and other businesses. They've done very well. Now with these guys' expertise on board, the snowball is getting bigger. The momentum is getting bigger. Where do you think they go from here? Because this is going to be, a leisure company now. A fast-growing, exciting leisure company. What are you comparing it to? Don't mind comparing it to cinema or bowling. What do you do bowling? Bowl, maybe a pint. The food isn't that good, is it? Bowl, pint. Now, this has got everything. There's the Skittles, bowling, escape rooms, virtual reality. There's good food, there's drink, there's cocktails. Got everything. This is the future. This is the future of leisure entertainment. So these are market leaders, in a new leisure sector. New, exciting leisure sector. Escape and Boom Battle Bar. Let's look at Escape Hunt. Premium locations, premium lounges, excellently well-trained premium hosts, and premium content, the likes of which, BBC Doctor Who have signed up with, Netflix. You don't get brands associating with you unless you are the top dog, unless you are premium. Doctor Who is the jewel in the crown of the BBC. It's a globally successful franchise, and they've hooked up with Escape Hunt, okay? Look at this. 5-star reviews across all their sites, established sites. The best Traveller's Choice Award for all the sites that qualify for this. So they've got to be in operation for a year or more, I think. They've all qualified for the Traveller's Choice Award, but they've all had 5-star reviews in thousands there. And so, amazing. And going around the world. And like I said, it will go to the US. And I expect this to go to the US as well. This will be huge in the US. They will love this. They will love it. Boom is the only battle bar that exists. Where's the competition? You got other bits. There are companies doing darts and all that stuff and scuttles or whatever they're doing. But this has got everything. Like I said, they've got 20, I think it's about 21 games and they're modular, so they can just move them around. If one game gets a bit stale, and you see the take going down, swap it out, put something else in, you know? This is why I like this. Boom Battle Bar, the most fun you will have with your pants on, as featured in BBC, ITV, Mail Online, Sky Sports, Elite franchise. Conclusion. The acquisition is expected to be significantly earnings accretive and profitable in the first half of 2022. This is not a company, a small cap company, rallying on hope, hype, potential, on news that may come out. Or, oh, so look, someone's taking 3%, he knows his onions. He's obviously not buying for a certain reason. No, this is based on sustainable growth, fundamentals, cash flow, and it's growing quickly in the exciting leisure sector. The directors believe that the acquisition represents an unprecedented opportunity to benefit from the trends in experiential leisure. It's a growing sector, and this is the fastest growing sector within that sector. And they take advantage of the conditions in the retail commercial property market to create an enlarged group, a business which has the potential to become one of the UK's preeminent experiential leisure businesses. And do you know what? They're very modest, the board here, Richard and the guys, and Graham. It's not UK, it's going to be worldwide, this. It's going to be taken out. By the way, they also have the option to buy Flipouts within 2 years. At a certain, I think, in 2019, 3 million EBITDA. They've opened up more sites since then. There's a Flip out down the road, and we go there with my boys, and literally, it's always busy. Always. I hate to say it, but, each session they have the kids behind this little barrier, and then one session comes out, and the kids run like crazy. Jumping around like a minute. I join in, but I hate it when people jump on my trampoline. One person, one trampoline, please. Get off my trampoline. I don't care if you're 5. Get off. But no, always busy. So that's another option there. A bigger, even, leisure company. Expand everywhere. It's phenomenal. I'm really impressed, as you can tell. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, by all means, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a share, write a comment. I'll probably ignore it. But if you want the next video to your inbox, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. But this is a very, very exciting deal. As you can probably tell, I'm a shareholder. It's not investment advice, but I'm very biased because I think it's a cracking deal.